guys, welcome to another video. So we have got a Varnail video for you today where we're going to be doing some really cute Christmas nails. So I've pulled out these 4 tips, I've measured them up and they fit on my left hand. So I'm going to start off by giving all 4 tips a coat of this pumpkin patch. Beautiful colour this is, guys. A really pretty burnt orange with a ultra fine shimmer in it. Look at that colour. Stunning. And the pigmentation of this gel polish is amazing. Can you see after one coat, full cover colour? They're highly opaque. I got this in a collection of 6, I think. But I did just have a look on the Varnail website, and I don't think you can buy the full collection now, but you can buy the individual colours still. And these colours are colours that everybody needs in their collection, guys. They are gorgeous. And I love how these gel polishes apply as well. Look, they apply so smooth. They self-level beautifully. They're HEMA free, TPO free and HPMA free as well. So great for people who suffer with any allergies. So we're going to cure them for 60 seconds. I've now pulled out Varnail's white stamping gel. Now I'm not going to use this as a stamping gel. I'm just showing you there, you get 8 grams in these pots as well. Nice big pots. I'm not going to use this for stamping. I'm going to use this to do the nail art with. And I love using this Varnail stamping gel to do nail art because they are highly pigmented. You know, like with some gel paints, they can be a little bit transparent. And then you end up having to go over your nail art twice. With this stamping gel, you do not need to do that. It is so opaque. So it just makes your work time so much faster. Can you see how bright white that is as well? Really nice. I do use this stamping gel a lot for my nail art, to be honest. So we've just done them 2 wiggly lines on the pointer fingernail and the pinky nail. I've now pulled out my dotting tool. I'm going to use the biggest one for now. And what I want to do on this nail is I want to do some white drips in that cuticle area. So I'll start off by doing the dots first, which is the bottom of the drip. So that just makes them drips lovely and round at the bottom as we like them. And then I'm going in with my striping brush, pulling up from those dots, just paint around that cuticle area. And then we're going to join the drips up. Now, when you're joining these drips up, guys, you want to make sure that you arch the... Oh, I'm so crap at explaining things. Yeah, you want to make sure that bit there's like arched. It doesn't want to be squared off. It wants to look like it is glooping downwards. If you leave it kind of squared off, it's not going to look natural. It's not going to look real at all. So yeah, make sure they are nicely rounded off where them drips meet. Just like that. Then once I'm happy with those, I'm going to pop them in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now we're on to the ring fingernail, and I'm just painting a door. And this is going to be a candy cane door. I'm not sure if I even told you what I'm doing. So I'm going to be doing gingerbread house nails today. I think I might have told you at the beginning, but I can't remember. That's bad, isn't it? I can't remember. So yeah, gingerbread house nails, guys. So yeah, I'm painting a door on this nail, and this is going to be a candy cane door. So I'm just painting it with the white. Once I'm happy with that, I did just give that a quick flash cure for 10 seconds off camera, just in case I needed to wipe off the nail, just in case I needed to wipe away any mistakes off the nail. I haven't got to worry about wiping that off as well. So now I'm using that dotting tool again, and I'm just going to paint some like snow at the top of the gingerbread house. So I just wanted to bring that down a little bit more. Because I want to do some red and green dots in that snow, I wanted to just bring that down a little bit more. So I've got a little bit more room to work with. So once I'm happy with that snow, I'm then going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now I've pulled out this red from Varnail, but as you can see, it is not an opaque red, it's a jelly red. The name of it is Cocktail Cherry. Now I was going to mix a little bit of white with it on my palette just to make it opaque, but because I'm painting the red over that white anyway, it's already opaque enough. So that saved me a job. I was really happy about that. So yeah, I'm just using that Cocktail Cherry and painting stripes, painting red stripes around the door so it looks like a candy cane. And then once I'm happy with those stripes, I'm then going to pull out my dotting tool, and I'm going to use the smallest one this time. And I'm just going to dot some little red dots into that snow. And then once I'm happy with the red dots, I'm going to add a little bit of this green to my palette, which is called Ice Lime. Again, this is a jelly gel, glass gel, but it didn't matter because we're doing it over the white. It does not matter, so I was buzzing about that. So we're just doing some green dots now, dotted about between the red ones. And then I'll pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And we're going to do the exact same on the drippy drip nail as well. But I did that now off camera, guys, just to save a little bit of time. So now we're going to seal all the artwork in with top coat, guys. So we're using Varnail's Quick Matte Top Coat. Really nice top coat this is. Give all full nails a coat of the matte top coat and then cure them for 60 seconds. And then that'll be them all finished, guys. I do just want to quickly tell you about Varnail's brushes in their gel polishes as well, guys. So they use the arched DuPont brushes, and oh my days, they are so soft. The bristles are really, really soft. So the ones, you know, that are like an arch shape, and they fit beautifully into that cuticle area, which just makes your application time so much quicker. Yeah, these are my favourite brushes in gel polish bottles. Right, guys, so we're down to applying the matte top coat to the last nail. Give them a cure for 60 seconds. Now I've pulled out Varnail's gem glue. This is a no-wipe gem glue as well, so you haven't got to wipe away that tacky layer. I really like that it cures without a tacky layer. So we're just going to add 3 dots down the middle of this nail, and we're going to add 2 red and a green crystal. So it's going to go red, green, red, and then pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds, and that will hold them all in place. And then on this pinky nail, we're going to do the exact same, but we're going to alternate the colours. So we're going to do green, red, a green. Pop that one in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Lastly, for crystals and charms, we're going to add a little bit of gem glue to the middle of the door. We're going to add this gold Christmas wreath charm. And then I'm going to add a little bit of gem glue above the door, and I'm going to stick a gold snowflake there. Then that can go in the lamp for 60 seconds, and that'll be them all done. So guys, that is them all finished, but I'm not keen on that candy cane door, and you see the red and green dots. I don't like them being matte. I think they need to be shiny, so I'm just going to pull out Varnail's tempered top coat. I've added a little bit of that to my palette, and I'm just going to go over them red and green dots with my dotting tool, and then I'll go over that candy cane door as well with the tempered top coat and make that shiny. We'll give them a cure, and then we'll see what they look like from there. Alright, so that is what they look like with the shiny top coat over the top. So much better. I just think they needed that little bit of shiny top coat over the dots and on that candy cane door as well. Yeah, I just think they really needed that shiny top coat. So as much as I really like these guys, you know nails always look better once they're being worn. So let's have a little look at what they look like on my left hand now, shall we? Ta-da! Yes, yes, yes. I'm loving these, you know. I'm actually loving these. That pumpkin patch gel polish was the perfect colour for these, wasn't it? Especially in matte as well. It's got like a kind of velvet effect. I really like it. That gel polish collection, what the pumpkin patch is out of, is a really nice collection, guys. This is all the colours that are in the collection. Really nice colours, and they're so pigmented. They are cram-packed full of shimmer. As you can see, when I was applying the pumpkin patch, it's just so opaque and pigmented. You only need to do one coat and you get full coverage. They're really, really nice gel polishes. So all the products that I have used in today's video, guys, I'm going to leave links for in my description box below. So if there's anything that you're interested in that you've seen me use in today's video, all you got to do is click that link and it will take you straight to the item. Don't forget, if you do decide to place yourself an order on Varnail's website, I have got a huge 25% off discount code. So make sure you don't forget to take full advantage of that when you are at checkout. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.